This is University of Utah's Career and Professional Development Center Student Affairs. Let's see what we have here on the navigation bar. They have a search bar, students, handshake login, and about handshake. That's what they have on their menu bar, which they have on the side. This beautiful picture. And you scroll down and this is what you find. Resources, jobs, career outcomes, employers. You can learn more about those. Handshake is there. Resumes and cover letters and career coaching appointments for undergraduate and graduate students. Got that separated. And then they have a video here. I'm going to go ahead and click on and you can watch that. Let me see what else is down here real quick. Events. Okay. You can follow them on social media also. All right. This is the video.
Graduation is a time to celebrate, not to worry about what's next. At the Career and Professional Development Center, we are here to support you throughout your college life. Our mission is to help you better understand who you are, what you want to do professionally, and what steps you need to take to get there. Visiting the Career Center early and often can help you achieve your goals and build confidence. So when's the best time to meet us and get started? Your freshman year. Career and Professional Development. See you soon.
There you go.